Welcome. This is Atcoin Day Trading, Ethereum, the best Elliott wave analysis, episode number 14. So today I'm going to take a brief look at Ethereum. We'll take a look at its Elliott wave count. And before I do that, we'll also quickly take a look at Ichimoku. Because one of my private clients asked me about my indicators, and I want to show him my setup. So if he wants, he can copy it. Since I use two indicators, two Ichimoku indicators for that setup. Anyways, I'm going to show you that. I must be quite brief today because I have something to do in town, and afterwards I have a meeting with a private client. So I'm quite busy, and I want to get that intervention out before I leave. So first, please read as always my disclaimer so that you are aware that there are risks involved in investing and trading, and my risk warning. And I'm briefly going to talk about my services. So I mainly offer one thing, and that's Elliott wave counts. I offer Elliott wave counts on live updates, daily Elliott wave counts on Bitcoin 1 to 3 times a day, on gold once a day, and on the SME on stock, on the S&P on stocks also once a day. And you get that for 20 USD a month. And I strongly recommend it if you just want to learn about Elliott wave, or you are interested in investing or trading. So here again, it says it, the link is in the description, my live Elliott wave updates, 20 USD a month, and on BTC 1 to 3, and on gold, and then US stock and gold once a day, one update a day. You can pay using cryptos, then it's 20 USD a day, if USD, not a day, but for 1 month. And if you use PayPal, then it's 30 USD because you're paying a third party who will buy cryptos with your USD fiat and send it to me. So then it's a little more expensive, but still it's a very good price for what you get. And if you're interested in that, what I would highly recommend, if you're serious, if you're not just doing it because you want to take a look and see what it is, but if you're serious, I strongly recommend to take advantage of my limited time offer, which is only for my private clients, and it allows you to get a coaching lesson on Zoom with me for 100 USD for 1 hour. And then we can talk about investing, trading, and see what you were trying to do in the markets. It's between 45 and 60 minutes. My normal fee is 250 USD an hour, but I'm right now proposing a special offer, and I really recommend it, especially if you're interested, so you don't make mistakes. Because some people think that they get the subscription to my live Elliott wave updates, and now everything will be easy and they will make 20 minutes in the next 6 days, and that's not how it works. So it is recommended to have a talk with me and see what you're doing and see how you will use those indicators. And that's not and that's the thing. The best is that I can talk with you and see who you are and what you're trying to do. And now, that being said, please like and comment. You must like, because it's important for you to like, because it allows other people to find that content. And if nobody clicks on these videos, and if nobody subscribes to my, or not enough people subscribe to my private channel, then I might cease one day posting free videos on YouTube and running my private channel. So then there must be a certain amount of demand for me to keep on doing what I'm doing. So it's important for you to like, and why not leave a small comment, just a thank you or something nice. Always appreciate, but especially like, so that other people can find this intervention. And now I'm going to take a look at the Ichimoku chart. So here's my Ichimoku chart. And right now, as you can see on Ichimoku, we are bullish because we broke out of the cloud. And I think that all the requirements to go bullish were probably satisfied on this candle. And once this candle did get exceeded, you could have entered a long position. I think, because at that candle probably, I wasn't trading ETH, I was trading Bitcoin, so I don't know, but it looks similar. On that candle, you had the Kumo breakout, we were above the cloud. You had the future Kumo that is green. You had the Chico. On this candle was Chico 3. Well, yes. And once that was exceeded, so I mean, once this candle was exceeded, you would have gone long. On top of this candle, you would have gone long. And the candle that would have got you in is this candle. And at this candle, all the requirements were fulfilled. Even the Tenkan and the Kichuin were bullish and in the right order. Here you had at least a flip. So, so probably you could have got in on this candle. Well, I'm not sure, because the Kichuin here is above on Bitcoin you could, but on this one I'm not sure that you could, because the Kichuin is above the Tenkan, and you have to wait for it to cross, and the cross only happens here. Since the cross only happens here, the candle that would have got you in would have been that candle, but it should have got you in at the lows of the candle, because the candle you had to exceed were 9 candles in the past. So if you count back from this candle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, actually, it's even worse. You always have to think about it. I think you only could have ended on the top of that candle. So it would have been a less nice entry than on Bitcoin. Anyways, you would be in right now in a long position, and your stop loss would be below the Kichuin, below that line. And now I will try to show quickly my setup, so that my private client, if he wants, can copy my setup. So I gave him the name of the indicators. If you become my private client and you need the names again, I will provide them to you also. So just ask if you need them. But here, the one is CM Enhanced Ichimoku version 5. And here I have the first 3 clicked. I made them thicker. The first I put dot on it. The first 2 I put dot on it. And the third one, the Chiku, I did put a crossing line. So that's the Chico, and as you can see, it's that kind of line. I just did it so that it looks different from the other lines. And then there's nothing until this one, the cross up Tenkan Kichuin entry, and the cross down Tenkan Kichuin entry. And those 2 are clicked. I put them in right. And that's all. And I made it thick. Huh? So this I make thick, this I make thick, and this I made thick. So if you want, you can copy that. And the second Ichimoku indicator, I use 2, because the second one gives me 2 more things. So on the second Ichimoku, I did put yellow, all those things, the line thick, and here that line, just so you know. Then I did make it thick again, but this time I did put crosses up here, and I chose that color, that blue color. And the next one, I chose this color, and I did put that line, and I make it thick again. and here nothing, here nothing, here nothing. There nothing, here nothing. You can pause the video if you have to. Volume I did take off also. The plot I left, choose how dark, how much you want to see it. And the label, this is this thing, you can take it off, you don't have to have it. And table, I left it on. So that's my second indicator. And it's, the name is a little different, but it's an Ichimoku indicator. If you can find it, here it says by DGT. ST Ichimoku DMI by DGT. So maybe you can find it with that. If you can't find it, just ask me on Telegram and I will tell you the exact name of that indicator on TradingView. And the last indicator on this chart is Fibonacci overlay. So if you search for Fibonacci overlay, you will find it. And the colors are white and pink. Well, he won't show me that indicator, but I chose those two colors, that pink color and the white color, white for bullish and pink for bearish. Okay, now that being said, I quickly will switch to the Elliott wave count on Ethereum. So the Elliott wave count on Ethereum is quite close to the one on Bitcoin. And right now I've labeled it. So a top wave 3 here, and then a triangle for wave 4. And the triangle is composed of an A wave, a B wave, a C wave, a D wave, and then an E wave. And right now, as you can see, we are in the process of accomplishing the D wave. And once that's done, we get an E wave. And when that is finished, we should go higher to finish wave 5, since this is wave 4, and we still have to accomplish wave 5. The internals are 3 waves always for a triangle, an A, B, C, and A, B, C, and now we are again accomplishing an A, B is done, and C is still ahead. Okay, now that being said, I'll take that all off the chart and I'm going to zoom in. Let me zoom to the 1 hour chart and see how it looks. Okay, I'll zoom out a little so we can see the last move from the bottom of wave C. So here you had the bottom of wave C of the triangle. So the bottom of wave C is here. This is the line of the triangle that you see. And then we did make an A wave up. We did accomplish a B wave. The retracement was enormous, more than 78%. When we were at that level, 2,300, it was a little dangerous because if we went a little lower, then my count would have been invalidated. So it is a zigzag. The ABC is a zigzag. So there are 5 waves in the A wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we get a zigzag down with 5 waves in the A wave, a correction, a B wave of 3 wave, and again 5 wave in the C wave. Okay, and now I'm going to zoom in even more, just so we see the last move from the B wave low. So let me zoom in even more. So we can look at the last progression of Bitcoin, of the last rally. So here we have the last rally we had over the last couple of days. Okay, that will do. Here we have our B wave low, and from here we are starting the C wave. So the C wave is, as always, subdivides into 5 waves. So wave 1, 2. Now we're in the process of accomplishing wave 3. Wave 1 subdivides also in 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With wave 3 being the extended wave, and you can see the intervals of that extended wave. Then an ABC correction, A, B, C. And now again, 5 waves for the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the first 5 wave. And now wave 2 seems to be over. And we are probably subdividing again 1, 2, and then 3 higher. Okay, so we are so on the short term, it is bullish. But as you know, we are accomplishing the wave D of the triangle. And once that is done, there's an E wave left. And only after that, we will get the rally, the final rally of the bull market, the 5th wave to new all-time highs. And then the bull market will be over and we will be entering a bear market. So that's all I wanted to show you today. Let me just save my chart. I think I did change nothing, but anyways, let's save it. And I'll stop the screen share. And I will remind you of becoming a member of my free Telegram group, just to have a second way of communicating with me. You never know when it will be useful, when you need it, when you need to contact a trader and want some real advice about investing or trading. If you want to learn trading or just become a better investor, we always can talk about that. So it's good to be a member of my free Telegram group. And if you're interested, of course, in my subscription, to become a subscriber of my live Elliott wave updates, then on Telegram, let me know and I will provide you the instruction on how to become a member. Now, that being said, I hope that this week I will do more updates. I was very busy over the last couple of days and I could not do any more. So, but I hope that this week I'll make some more frequent updates. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye-bye.